Hey guys, it's Randy and Jorge here. We're here making the prize draws for the early bird contest with the United Way. We had a total of 31 applicants, so their names are all in my Halloween bucket. For the first draw, it's going to be a $100 gift card to Winners Home Sense, as well as a night stay at the DoubleTree with 2 vouchers to the Globe Theater.
And we have 3 pairs of rider tickets for Sunday night's game.
Okay, first set of rider tickets goes to Jim Dewhurst. For the second set of rider tickets goes to Deanne Horton, but she already told me she doesn't want these tickets, so we will take another name. Jennifer Campbell. Set of tickets goes to Valerie Sally. And now for the grand prize, which is the $100 winner's gift card, a night stay at the DoubleTree, and 2 Globe Theater tickets goes to Steven Safanak. Congrats all the winners.